Welcome to my CyberTech-VB channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to search by voice in Google Chrome on your computer. Search by voice uses speech recognition technology to help us to search the internet. Instead of typing text, you can use your voice to quickly and easily perform searches for anything you want to find on the web. Obviously, your computer has to be equipped with a microphone, either built-in or external one. In order to start the search by voice, first open your browser, Google Chrome browser, go to the search field and point your cursor to the microphone icon. Click on it and then, when prompted, speak with a normal voice about anything you are looking for on the internet, of course. For example, we'll try several examples just to show you how to do the search by voice. First, let's ask Google to search for today's news. You click on the microphone, you see the text under the microphone. It shows you that this is search by voice. You click on the microphone and follow the prompt. First, of course, you have to allow the computer to use the microphone. Today's news. And here they are. And the news you can see here. You can scroll down and read the news. When you click on the microphone, then you speak just with a normal voice about anything you're looking for. You don't have to perform or anything, just speak in a normal way. Okay, let's do another search. For example, for, let's say, golden retriever dog. Click on the microphone. Golden retriever dog. Here we are. Then you can see here all the information about golden retriever, pictures, and anything. It's just about the same if you type the text here in the search field. Okay, we'll do another search. Let's say let's ask Google to find us what will be the weather in Toronto, for example, for tomorrow. The weather in Toronto tomorrow.
Thursday's forecast for Toronto is 6 degrees with light rain.
There you go. The Google even speaks as well, other than showing us the written information and of course the images. And as you can see, it is very easy and convenient to search by voice. It will save you quite a bit of time, and of course you do not have to type anymore. And that's all from me for today. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like it, click on the subscribe and like buttons. Thank you for watching and have a nice and pleasant day.